Welcome to HouseLux Estate, your trusted guide to financial well-being and estate management. We're here to help you navigate the complex world of finance, offering you practical tips and advice to secure your family's future. Today, we're tackling a topic that's crucial for every family out there: building a financial safety net. Imagine a trampoline, ready to bounce you back when life throws you a curveball. That's what a financial safety net does. It's not just about money, it's about peace of mind. It's about knowing that come what may, your family's financial stability is secured. Whether it's an unexpected medical expense, a sudden job loss, or even a global pandemic, a sturdy financial safety net can make sure your family weathers the storm. In today's video, we'll provide you with a step-by-step guide to building a financial safety net for your family. So let's jump right in and start laying the groundwork for your family's financial security. First, it's crucial to understand what a financial safety net is. Picture this: a trapeze artist soaring high above the ground, performing breathtaking stunts. Now imagine that artist without a safety net below. The risk is exponentially higher, isn't it? That's essentially what we're dealing with when we talk about a financial safety net. It's that protection, that buffer that stands between you and potential financial disaster. So what exactly is a financial safety net? It's a stash of money that's set aside to cover unexpected expenses or financial emergencies. These can range from sudden job loss, an unexpected health crisis, major home repairs, or possibly a global pandemic like we've experienced in 2020. It's essentially a cushion that helps you land on your feet when life throws you a curveball. Now, why is it important for families to have a financial safety net? Well, it's simple. Life is unpredictable. While we can hope for the best, it's always wise to prepare for the worst. Having a financial safety net allows families to weather financial storms without resorting to drastic measures like selling assets or slipping into debt. Think about it. If you lost your job tomorrow, would you be able to cover your bills and meet your family's needs until you found a new one? If a family member fell seriously ill, could you handle the medical expenses? These are the types of scenarios a financial safety net is designed to handle. That being said, building a financial safety net isn't just about preparing for doom and gloom. It's also about creating financial stability and freedom. It's about knowing that you have the resources to make choices that are right for your family without the stress of living paycheck to paycheck. To wrap it up, a financial safety net is more than just a savings account. It's an essential part of any family's financial planning. Having a financial safety net gives you peace of mind knowing you're prepared for unexpected financial hurdles. The first step towards building a financial safety net is creating an emergency fund. Think of an emergency fund as your monetary guardian angel. It's that stash of cash set aside to cover the financial surprises life throws your way. These unexpected events can be stressful, but having an emergency fund can give you peace of mind and a sense of security. Now, let's talk about how much to save. A good rule of thumb is to aim for 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. However, this is not a one-size-fits-all approach. If you have a high-risk job or irregular income, you might want to save more. On the other hand, if you have a stable job and good health insurance, maybe less could be okay. It's all about what makes you comfortable and helps you sleep at night. So, where should you keep this fund? Stick to a place that's easily accessible and safe from market volatility. A high-yield savings account is a great option. It's easily accessible, and your money grows a little while it's sitting there. Now, let's give you some tips on how to prioritize savings. First and foremost, pay yourself first. This means setting aside a portion of your income for your emergency fund as soon as you get paid. You might be thinking, but I have bills to pay, groceries to buy. Yes, those are important. But remember, an emergency fund is a buffer between you and life's financial surprises. Another tip is to make saving automatic. Most banks offer automatic transfers between your checking and savings accounts. You can set it up so that a portion of your paycheck goes directly into your emergency fund. This way, you're consistently building your fund without even thinking about it. Finally, don't be discouraged if progress seems slow. Building an emergency fund takes time and patience, but stick with it. Every little bit you save is getting you one step closer to a solid financial safety net. Remember, an emergency fund isn't an investment. It's insurance for your financial life. The second step to building your financial safety net is insuring yourself and your income. Now, let's delve into the significance of this concept. Imagine a world where your loved ones are left financially vulnerable after an unexpected event. A world where your family's financial stability is hanging by a thread, teetering on the edge of collapse. It's a scary thought, isn't it? Well, that's where life insurance and income protection insurance come into play. Life insurance is a contract between you and an insurance company. In exchange for your premium payments, the insurance company provides a lump sum payment, known as a death benefit, to your beneficiaries upon your death. It acts as a financial buffer, ensuring that your family's monetary needs are met even in your absence. It's like leaving a safety net for them to fall back on, a net that can help cover everything from daily living expenses to the children's education costs. But what about when you're alive and unable to work due to illness or injury? That's where income protection insurance steps in. It provides a regular income, usually up to 75% of your gross salary, if you're unable to work due to sickness or injury. It's a lifeline that can keep your family afloat financially while you're recuperating, ensuring that the bills are paid and life continues with minimal disruption. So, you see, life insurance and income protection insurance are more than just pieces of paper. They're promises that you can provide for your family, come what may. They're shields that safeguard your family's financial future. They're anchors that keep your family's financial boat steady amidst a stormy sea of uncertainty. Insurance assures that your family can maintain their lifestyle even if something happens to you. Because in the grand scheme of things, it's not just about ensuring your life or your income. It's about ensuring your family's peace of mind, their financial stability, and ultimately, their future. And isn't that what building a financial safety net is all about? The third step to building your financial safety net is investing for future needs. This is a crucial element that often gets overlooked. Investing is not just about accumulating wealth for the sake of it. It's about preparing for the future, whether it's your child's education, a comfortable retirement, or just the peace of mind that comes from knowing you're financially secure. Think of investing as a way to future-proof your finances. It's about taking the money you have now and making it work for you in the long run. And the beauty of investing is that it isn't just for the wealthy. Anyone can start investing regardless of their income level. So, how do you get started with investing? Well, there are a few key steps to consider. First, establish what your future needs are. Are you saving for your child's education? Planning for retirement? Once you have clear goals in mind, it's easier to plan your investment strategy. Second, do your homework. Investing can seem complex, but with a little research, you can understand the basics. Start by learning about different types of investments like stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Each one carries different levels of risk and potential returns. Third, consider talking to a financial advisor. They can provide valuable insight and help you develop an investment strategy that aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. Remember, investing isn't a one-size-fits-all approach. What works for one person may not work for another. Finally, be patient. Investing is a long-term game. It's not about making quick cash. It's about growing your wealth over time. So don't be discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Stay the course, and over time, your investments can grow and help secure your financial future. Investing helps your money grow over time and ensures you can meet your future financial needs. It's an invaluable part of building a financial safety net. So take the time to understand it, plan for it, and make it work for you. After all, your future self will thank you. Let's quickly recap the steps to building a financial safety net for your family. Firstly, we uncovered the importance of understanding what a financial safety net is. It's that cushion that protects your family from life's unexpected financial blows. Next, we delved into the significance of an emergency fund. Remember, it's recommended to have about 3 to 6 months of expenses tucked away for those unplanned circumstances. Then, we discussed the necessity of insuring yourself and your income. This ensures that your family's lifestyle is maintained, even if something were to happen to you. Lastly, we explored the concept of investing for future needs. This is about making your money work for you, augmenting your financial security over time. Remember, building a financial safety net is a journey, not a destination. Thank you for watching House Lux Estate. Don't forget to subscribe for more guidance on achieving financial well-being.